Good afternoon to all of you. Company secretary. We have seen secretary is actually originated from the Latin word secretarius, which means keeper of the secret or one who keeps confidential things as confidential. That is called as secretary. There are two types of secretaries. One is private secretary, other is company secretary. Private secretary is also known as personal assistant. So many actors, celebrities, doctors, lawyers, they have much engineers, busy schedule of their work, and they often recruit private secretary, that is PA, for the assistance of their work, their busy schedule. And next is company secretary. Actually, company secretary is the high level officer in a private sector company or public sector organization. Is appointed the rules and regulations in the Companies Act 2013. Company secretary is appointed as per the laws and regulations in the Companies Act 2013, and he is a responsible person. He is appointed by the government. Okay, government gives salary to company secretary. He is private secretary or in the corporate sectors. Secretaries are recruited, and in the government sectors also secretaries are sachiv in Marathi. They are there. So it is the work including governance, structures, and mechanisms, corporate conduct within the organization's regulatory environment. So board, shareholder, and trustees meetings with legal, regulatory, and listing requirements, etc. Secretary is the primary source of advice. Prime Minister also has secretaries. So he is the primary source of information to the higher authority. So he is the primary source of advice on the conduct of business, and this can span everything from legal advice on conflicts of interest through accounting advice on financial reports. What sort of work he often do? What are his functions? Comes to attend and organize companies board meetings. So he is responsible for organizing board meetings and any general meetings. Corporate governance is also there, is the main advisor to the board of directors on matters of corporate governance and their duties as the directors managing companies records. He is responsible for managing companies records. The company secretary also has responsibilities of certain other certain records that include accountancy and tax records, VAT or GST in the present context, registration, insurance and pension information, other statutory compliance records, for example, data protection, and updating the records. It is the responsibility of company secretary to update the filing. Files are there, so filings with company house. This can split into annual filings and those that are required only on the occurrence of certain events. In a nutshell, when we think of company secretary, is recruited as per the laws and regulations of Company Act 2013, and certain corporate work or the assign he has assigned or she has assigned a particular task as per the private and public sectors, as per the context in which he or she is working. Overall, when we say is a responsible person, secretary is a responsible person and he is the source of advice. He some so many secretaries has experience of so many government. He is a government authority. In the democracy, in the government sectors, minister, educational minister, they change, but secretary don't. So they continuously do the task. In government sectors, they are at the level of IS officer, secretary. So they knew everything. They have experience of so many years. And minister, they have very few years of experience. On the one other hand, secretary has large number of experience. He knew the things with through all the angles. So he is very important. Group dynamics. Next, let us see what is group dynamics. Kurt Lewin, Kurt, Kurt Lewin, he describes group dynamic is the way groups and individuals act. It is the way and group and individuals act as per the part of their group and react to changing circumstances. If the circumstances are changing, whether the person is or is the part of particular group and the vision and mission of that group directly indirectly affect that individual. When we say in Indian context, democracy, governing procedure, democracy is there. So here individual think differently in the democratic nation. Group dynamics. When we think of Russia or Chinese context, their ruling procedure or governance is different. Some thinks differently. So group dynamics affects how a person, the way group and individuals act and react to the changing circumstances. Whatever the circumstances are there, so circumstances can be changed. So group dynamics is the study of dynamics is very useful in understanding decision making of a particular group behavior, tracking the spread of diseases. Now, in case of COVID-19, tracking the spread of diseases, group dynamics in society, creating effective therapy technique, some effective therapy technique, and following the emergence and popularity of new ideas and technologies. Group discussion is at the core of understanding racism. Order to understand racism in America, in most of the countries, racism is there. Race, vansh, racism, then gender discrimination, the difference between man and woman, okay, gender discrimination, or the treatment is given as gender in society, and other forms of social prejudices. Some social prejudices are still existed in society. and discrimination, superior treatment, inferior treatment to another groups, and discrimination. The application is used in psychology. It is everywhere. It is used psychology. How libidinal crisis occurs and how unconscious mind affects conscious mind. So psychological crises are there. Sociology, social structures are there. Middle class, okay, rich class, sociology, and social institutions are there in society, marriage, or sociology, anthropology, the study of religion, anthropology, study of culture, Hindu culture, Muslim culture, Jain, Buddha culture, every culture is different and cultural connotations, culture differs as per the cultural background. People behave, people take decisions for so many reasons for different religious people, different events are very important. And on the auspicious occasion of different occasions, people behavior and their selling strategies to purchase particular things also changes. Group dynamic is here important. Political science, social work, business, and communication studies. There are three main things that can affect a team's cohesion, the act of working together well. They are sociology, anthropology, study of culture, political science, education, social work, business, and communication studies. So it is a multidisciplinary concept which includes all faculties, all subjects, many subjects, and how the group dynamics, how the decision making of a particular group changes as per the cultural context that the person is part of it. So there are three main things that can affect team's cohesion. The act of working together well, they are environmental factors. Environmental factors. Environment. This is Kokan, Guhagar. Okay, environmental factors, personal factors. Every person has personal traits like impulses, idiosyncrasies, a particular typical type of nature, idiosyncrasies, then anger, aggression. Every person has a different type of personal factors. Every person we often say is unique. Why? This is the reason. Because personal factors differs from person to person. Inside the family also, one member is different from another. Thinking, psychology, decision making, dreams, hopes, and aspirations. They are often different from each other. And leadership factors. Leader, leadership factors. Some people they have leadership skill, some may not. Leadership factors. As per such kind of group, such kind of people and their group, it changes their decision making. So actually the term was coined by social psychologist Kurt Lewin. Kurt K-U-R-T, Kurt Lewin, born in 1890 and died in 1947. Kurt Lewin coined the term group dynamics. This question may occur in exam. Kurt Lewin to describe the positive and negative forces within group of people. He was focused on how the study of group dynamics could be applied to real world social issues. The example of group dynamics include mechanism dealing with status. So for so many people, status is very important. I mean, prestige, social prestige, that is status, not just our WhatsApp status. So reciprocity, परस्पर सहकार्य, देवाण-घेवाण, reciprocity, identifying cheaters, identifying cheaters, ostracism, बहिष्कृत किंवा वाळीत टाकण्याची कृती, ostracism, altruism, cooperation, altruism, group decision, leadership, and intergroup relations. So these kind of things affects in a group. So in a positive group dynamic, the members, they work towards a joint decision and they hold each other responsible for making things happen. Many of the researchers are of the opinion that when a team has a positive dynamics as the average group, it deals with the attitude and behavioral pattern of a group. In poor group dynamics, people's behavior disturbs work. But to this, the group may not come to any decision and results in poor efficiency. The group dynamic is concerned with the interactions and forces operating between groups. Just in a nutshell, if so many people, they are the part of active, alert, and active group. Their confidence boosts, their performance enhances, and their decision making, mature decision making, their wisdom, and their overall personality grows. If suppose they are the part of particular company, so company also enhances its name and fame. In the On the other hand, if the people are the part of poor group dynamics, they do not grow, their decision making, lack of communication, misunderstanding, they are disconnected, they are often prey to inferiority and superiority complexes, failure. They often face failure, but they do not have tolerance to accept their failure. So, one, we have seen positive group dynamics. On the other hand, we have seen negative or poor group dynamics. Therefore, friend circle is also affects another friend. If the friends are the group of active group dynamics, so they grow, they develop, they succeed. If friends, they are the part of poor group dynamics, they don't succeed, they often fail, then many problems create with the course of time because they do not have the openness to accept the defeat or to find out the lack. They think that society is responsible, other people are responsible for their failure. So, group dynamics. So, be the part of energetic and dynamic group dynamics. And many times, active or group dynamics, positive group dynamic may change into negativity. It is possibility is there. Suppose 10 people are there, they are very active, but with the course of time they are inactive. So they are the part of poor dynamics, poor group dynamics. So group dynamic, one has to refresh it, orient it, and face the new or accept the new challenges, so that group dynamic is, it continues. It should be persistent. It should be continuous, because success of the group dynamics is a journey. It is not a destination. So positive energy is predominant in active or energetic group dynamics. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a great time.